Y'all, I came in here to talk about side hustles because, graduation coming up, little end of the school year parties, all of that. Get you a side hustle. Like last year, this year, I've been doing ballooning. I did 2 balloon arches, a couple of balloon columns. I've been doing cake pops, chocolate covered strawberries. Like, really. This is the time to go hard on side hustles. You can do backdrops. Like all of these things I'm telling you will get you 250, and that's just for like a little plain backdrop or way up depending on your area, because some areas a little less than others. But side hustle season is right now. It's becoming summertime. You got all this stuff going on where you can do like you can start little party businesses where you're doing water gun, water gun fight parties, Nerf gun parties. Thinking of some girl things to do. Unicorn Barbie parties. Get a little tent, set it up, just decorate it as a little whatever thing you trying to decorate as. If it's Barbie, get you a little pink tent, decorate everything pink, and get you some little props. Don't take none to do props either. I mean, I'm just pretty much starting this out. So if you want to, if you want me to show you some of these little side hustles I'm talking about, like, comment, and subscribe, boo boo, and I will show you like how to do little props and stuff, balloon arches, all kind of treats. When I tell you I don't want to really say side hustle queen, but I really be doing everything on the side. I do hair. I like braided up my own hair. You could do hair. All these people going, well, prom pretty much over, so you probably missed that one, but chicks needing hair done for graduations, and next year proms, back to school coming, hair, just side hustle. Think of it, because anything is a side hustle as long as you good at it. Do your damn thing. And like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. And I get with you on how to do some of this stuff, or at least like break it down a little bit more. Thanks. Peace.